You searched how to buy shares of Ellington Financial Inc., a mortgage finance company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker EFC. This short guide explains the basic steps to locate EFC, review company details, and place an order. This is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will be asked to verify your identity, typically with a government ID, and to add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker EFC to find Ellington Financial Inc. Make sure you pick the correct NASDAQ listing from the results. Open the stock page to see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ ticker, and review recent price movement to ensure it's the right asset. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will be queued or set as a market on open, depending on your settings. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the trade. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.